How to be. How to understand what a relationship means. Having faith, freedom, and friendship. You need to have faith. A constant nagging or a skeptical attitude will ruin the relationship. You need to have the freedom to speak for yourself, freedom to follow your heart, and the freedom to make your own choices, while you are enjoying the relation with a bondage of friendship. Being in a relationship means a balance between the freedom and bondage. Having fun together. We sometimes tend to forget this important ingredient. What is a relationship without fun? If your partner makes you crack up, you are on the right track. Developing your own language and having your own little jokes that nobody else understands, waiting to get home from work because you know that the time spent with your loved one is going to be enjoyable, having many activities that you like doing together, are signs that you are a duo that can provide some positive energy and truly enjoy each other's company. When you are feeling down, your partner can make you smile easily, and that's exactly how it should be, not the other way around. Prioritize your partner. Yes, it is sometimes difficult to do this among all the other things going on in life. Friends, work, family, hobbies. But if you truly love this person, should these other things really even matter? If putting your partner before these other factors of life feels like more of a chore than a joy to you, it might be time to question why you're in this relationship. People need to feel wanted and loved all the time, not just some of the time. It's a two-way street. If you are giving this person love, but you're not feeling it in return, or vice versa, how can the relationship succeed? Being yourself. You don't need to act or be someone else just to impress your partner. Being in a relationship means being yourself. Everyone is different, and being in a relationship allows you to celebrate the mutual difference. Being affectionate with each other. In a healthy relationship, there's not a day that passes by in which partners don't say a kind word to each other, hug or kiss. They should be all over each other and enjoy exploring each other's body. Affection is what divides a romantic bond from a friendship. Your partner should be attractive to you and light up a fire inside of you. Of course, in long relationships, it is not so obvious, but it is important that it is still there, even if it's sleeping, and that your partner can still make butterflies flutter in your stomach from time to time. Communicate. If for any reason, your partner is not fulfilling your needs by making you their priority, talk to them. We live in an era where communication has faded. Texting, emailing, and other forms of technology have shoved face-to-face communication out the door. Sit your partner down and tell them how their behaviors are making you feel. You don't feel neglect, sadness, and frustration on your own. Something causes it. If this person loves you, they will understand, and they will do something about it. Being the strength. Everyone has a time in life when they feel low. This is when being with your partner makes you stronger. When someone believes in you, when someone motivates you, inspires you, strengthens you, then you realize what being in a relationship really means. It means being strong together, living as a team. Thanks for watching. Our channel is created and developed by a small team of enthusiasts. If we helped you, and you want to support us, click on the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. See you soon.